But when school starts, hopefully that'll change. Or maybe we just change it before school starts. Either way, you, me, people, hang out. Well, you want to do a video on your wall. And really, I don't know, it's fun. Because I'm not a very interesting person. And people enjoy my videos because I'm just a retard. And yeah, we never had that great sleepover that we're supposed to have. We never had it. Why not? Tell me. Anyways. I'm about to dance for you. It didn't work out. That's how I kept moving. But anyways. Yeah. Let me think. I want to be a little different. I wrote this in my video that I sent to Emily Stubb, and she said it was ugly. I don't think this hat is ugly. Do you think it's ugly? It's not hideous, but it's not, like, great looking. Oh, but I could wear this hat. Oh, I like this one. This one actually works for me today. Normally it's so big, like, it goes over. But anyways, I kind of remind me of, like, Willy Wonka. You got me? You got me on this one? Now let me give me some glasses. Too fond of the glass. I'm underwater. But I really gotta cut these videos down to like 3 minutes because I feel bad for people having to watch these boring videos. But yeah, I don't think we have any classes together. And that's always sad. Ready? Hold on. Let me take my hat off. Let me take my hat off. Hold on, I'm getting there. Ready? Set? I bet you were scared, girl. You were scared of that? I know you were. Blow you a kiss. The fucking cat looks so sad with them eyes, and yet it just blew a happy kiss. Let's smile. Alright, well this is just stupid. Well, anyways, I guess I will let you go and see you later, girl. Yeah. So, I love you. I'm gonna hopefully catch it. You better. Okay? Ready, this is me looking at the camera, okay? This is me looking at my screen. I like looking at the screen better than my camera. Does it look like I'm looking at you, though, when I look at my screen? What does it look like now? Like, does it look like I'm looking you in the eye? Tell me. Oh, no. No, I have no life. Alright, love you.